Welcome to my iMotorsports outlet. Today I'm going to show you how to install the headlights for 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord Projector Headlights. So here are the tools required for the installation: a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket and ratchet, and then your needle nose pliers. So to begin with, you're going to need to remove the two Phillips screws holding in the plastic radiator cover. So once you get those two screws out, you're going to go ahead and take off the 10 plastic return plugs holding in the rest of this radiator cover. Now go ahead and pull the radiator cover straight up and out of the way. So here you're going to need to use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. If you want easier access, turn your wheels inward so you can access that screw. Once these screws are out, go ahead and gently pull the front bumper away from the headlights. So here you're going to need to remove the 5 10mm bolts, 2 on the top, 1 on the side, 2 on the front. So now go ahead and pull the headlight assembly away from the vehicle. Go ahead and remove the high beam, low beam plugs, as well as twisting off the corner light bulb. Go ahead and flip the headlight upside down. Now you're going to need to remove this 10mm bolt so you can install it onto the new headlight. Now go ahead and twist the bulbs into the headlight housing once you have the connectors connected. So once the headlights are all plugged in, go ahead and reinstall the headlights, reversing the installation process to get it reinstalled. So once everything's installed, go ahead and test the headlights to make sure that they're working properly. So here's a before and after shot of the vehicle. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to check out our website for new products for your ride.